Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. We got the frame dropped off at Forever Powder Coating for Carnage. Next step, we got to strip down the axles and everything else. And then we'll catch you back at the shop in the morning for a full work day on Carnage, stripping down the front Ford Super Duty axle. All right guys, cue the music. We're gonna strip the whole, we gotta raise the 4Runner up and we gotta strip the whole underside of the body so we can do 3M undercoat. We got it, when I say strip, it needs to all be sanded down to 80 grit. So we got a really good surface for the 3M undercoat to stick to. And then we also have to pull the front clip off. Probably just leave the hood up and then we'll take off the fenders, the cowl, so that way we can sand and prep the whole entire engine compartment with Scotch-Brite and get that all prepped for gloss black with clear. So, all right guys, let's do it. Cue the music. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today, we gotta clean up the 4Runner. It's absolutely filthy. To get all this metal dust off it. We're gonna actually mask up the door jambs, pull out the weather stripping, mask up the door jamb, mask up the window, and then wash it. Then we gotta sand and prep these window frames. We gotta pull this out. We gotta pull this seal out of here and get the rest of this off. So let's do it guys. Cue the music. As we're waiting for our Toyota crawl box to come from Northwest Fabrication, we need to tear down our new process 205 so we can rebuild it, but also so we can powder coat the whole case. Because we powder coating everything on Project Carnage. Let's tear it down. Cue the music. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the episode there. We got everything dropped off forever powder coating. I mean, every single part. I'm not even gonna go through them, but frame off powder coat. Got the frame, all the suspension components, down to even the transfer case. So now that we got everything dropped off, guys, the next episode we have to mummy wrap the 4Runner in 3M plastic, and then undercoat the floor with 3M, or well, not 3M. We're gonna actually use Raptor liner instead. Works the same, just as high as quality, and we're gonna spray it. So we'll catch you guys in the next episode here, and we'll move on to that, guys. Thanks for watching today. Thanks for your constant support as always, guys. And if you guys want a lift kit, check us out at cougarhousefab.com. The website is under construction right now. In the meantime, just hit me up on Instagram, and you can get your Ford Super Duty 4-link, traction bars, Dodge, Duramax, SAS, Duramax, Tacoma, 4Runner, just anything you guys want for 4-link kits and SAS kits, hit me up for any of your Cougar House Fab lift kits, parts, and accessories, guys. And then check us out on Facebook and also Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along there on the daily story that I'm very active on, and follow us on the long road to SEMA. We'll catch you guys in the next episode.